Today you are going to be joining us as on this cold but sunny January morning we are going to be fitting the first modification to the Fiesta ST, and that is going to be a low-line kit. Okay, so most people go for a Maxton splitter, side skirts, low-line kit when they go for a Fiesta ST, but we've gone for something different because we're going to try and do this car as a bit more of a budget build. So we've gone for this kit, and this is a KSB Autostyling kit, and it's amazing. It looks brilliant, and this whole kit, guys, cost me the same amount that it would cost you just for a Maxton splitter alone. Also, if you've been on watching the channel before and you've seen Adam with the 330 diesel BMW, the orange one, he's got a KSB splitter on his BMW and it's absolutely amazing. And guys, I seriously can't complain about the quality of this. You've got the KSB branding there, the quality is great, the packaging's brilliant, it comes with all the fixtures and fittings that you need, holes are pre-drilled. For 195 quid delivered to your door, this is going to be sick. So let's get it on the Fiesta. Okay, so because I've got no assistant today, I bought some 3M tape as well, just to put onto the splitter, side skirts and spats, so I can line it all up before I actually sort of, drill the holes and stuff like that. And actually what they send you, KSB, for the splitter, because I think they must know that other companies have had a problem with this if you only use self-tappers, for the splitter they actually send you bolts with, nuts and bolts. So actually, these guys are on it. They know that they want to make sure that splitter doesn't come flying off when you're, driving, and obviously they want to make sure you don't have to keep buying other ones. So that's really, really good of them. So with that being said, car's jacked up, but we also need to take the bumper off because obviously to be able to get the bolts on the other side, we're going to have to take the bumper off. So we're going to whip that off first, and then we're going to get to work on putting on the splitter. That was a bit of a chore, but we're all off. The bumper is off. There's quite a lot of screws on there, guys. So if you are doing this to your Fiesta and you want to know how to get it off, just YouTube it. There's a Mishimoto video that's really, really good that helps me out. But there are quite a lot of screws. There's like 4 around here somewhere you have to get to. Then you've got to take the headlights out. As you can see, we've got no headlights. We took them out. We have to unplug the fog lights just to get the bumper off. But the bumper is off. So we can now get to work with measuring up everything and getting the splitter on, which for me is going to be the hardest bit. Once the splitter's on, the bumper's back on, the side skirts and that we can literally just put on with the self-tappers. But like we say, we don't want that splitter coming off, so it's best off obviously putting it on the proper way. Okay guys, splitter is on and we're going to get it back on the car. We've got some help from the cat as well, but like I say, it's on there, so we're going to get this bumper back on the car and hopefully piece it together, and then we can see ultimately what it looks like. Okay guys, so bumper is back on the car, splitter is on and it's looking good, but we're going to have to leave it for today because daylight is catching up with us, and obviously with it being winter we have less time to work on. As the plane goes by, interrupting my video. So basically we're going to leave it there today, and we're going to come back with day 2 where we're going to be fitting the side skirts and the rear spats, and then we'll show you the completed project. What's cracking, guys? Welcome back to day 2 of fitting the low-line kit to the Fiesta. So I've already cracked on with doing one of the side skirts because I wanted to make sure that I can do it by myself. I've got it on. It's been a little bit fidgety, but we've got it going. So we're going to crack on with the side skirt number 2, and then we've got the rear spats to do as well. So look who's arrived to give us a hand. Bit late, but nice and late.
I only got about an hour ago.
Yeah, lazy. Yeah. So Sammy's going to come over, try and give us a hand, and we've got to try and fit a brake light to our car as well. It's going well. It's
yeah. He needs my expertise. That's why I'm really here, guys.
I do actually need her expertise because I need to see how her side skirts line up, and then I can kind of get an idea on mine as well. So yeah, we're going to crack on and get this done. Okay guys, so we've got Sammy's opinion. We've just got to change one thing on the side skirt on this side. We think it's too tucked in compared to this one. So we'll get those adjusted now. So we're just going to jack this side back up, get that adjusted, and then we're on to the rear spats, and then we can show you the completed project. It's going to look so good because the splitter looks amazing, and these side skirts and rear spats are just going to finish off.
No, thank you.
Come here.
Some hot chocolate?
Yeah.
She's like, no. Dad. Yeah, get that content for the channel. They'll love that. They'll love that.
Should attack my fluffy thing.
They'll love...
No, what's that? It's a rat. Don't antagonise my cat to make her attack my stuff.
Get it.
And just like that guys, we are all done with the lowline kit and it looks absolutely stunning. So let me show you. So there's the splitter, and that guys is on so tight because again, like we said, that's held on with bolts, so that is not going anywhere. That's on really secure. Side skirts just perfectly line up with that splitter. Thanks to Sammy for helping me line those up today, but they look absolutely stunning. And then actually at the back as well, we've now got the rear spats on, which I think will look amazing when there's a diffuser, but for now they look amazing, as you can see. And like I said, it just ties in with those side skirts and that splitter as well. So guys, the quality of this stuff is amazing. And like I say, for about 195 quid for a whole lowline kit, which is the same price as a splitter alone from Maxton, okay, you should get one of these guys. And if you want one, head over to Modified Performance Limited, link in the description box below to get your own for your Fiesta Mark 7.5. They also do one for a Mark 8 and a Mark 7, but that looks absolutely stunning. The whole thing just ties in, makes the car look so much more aggressive. And for me, it's just an absolutely stunning piece. So let me know guys, what do you think to the lowline kit? Do you like it? Do you not? Are you thinking about getting your own for your own Mark 7? Like I say, they do one for a Mark 8 as well, but let me know what you guys think in the comments box below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. Until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.